This works. Looking good. How's the lighting? Is it good? Oh, that's one side in the dark. Hello everyone. I want to say thank you very much for all the views that the last video actually got. I wasn't really expecting it to get any population whatsoever, especially like random people who I never spoke to, not to mention commenting in the video, which also surprised me a lot, if I may say. And some good questions in the comment section. So one guy who asked 2 questions, so I'm also here to answer them both. What am I do to improve my writings? I'm basically writing samples on any product that I can find. If it's a watch, if it's a suit, if it's a shoe, literally anything that you can find, you can start to write samples to yourself about it. That you're writing in a Google Docs or a paper. If you have, you can basically write everything you can about this product. Try to market it to yourself. Act like you're trying to market it to other people. Basically writing everything you know and you can about this product. Now it can be anything, really. Like I said, it can be a suit, it can be a watch, it can be a hair brushing, it can be everything you can about whatever you find. You can search on YouTube, you can search on Instagram, you can search on TikTok. Those 2 are the biggest social platforms I myself was able to find. Unless you can find anything better in your country, you are more than welcome to do so. Now, that's also how you begin copywriting. You know, it's like you need to learn about it and then you can get to work. Now, you can also take all the time you need. I myself still thought that I am not ready yet until today. This doesn't mean I got my client yet, but as of right now, we're talking about July 3rd. This is when I actually started to reaching out to people. Actually, one of them even answered me back. But I'm still speaking with the guy. I haven't been hired yet by him. He's not my client yet. But I sure hope I will be able to get hired and start working for him. If I will, this will be a huge win for me. A huge confident boost to myself as a person, as a copywriter, hoping to a huge success. Obviously, I will make sure to update it and upload a video about this. I'm not gonna give any details about the client to keep his privacy. I will keep him private for now. Yeah, you can see this video as an update as well. And hopefully it will help encouraging others start learning copywriting. It will be really, really good. Now, I also want to calm people down because apparently a lot of people are panicking because of the fact that yes, AI is a thing. You're absolutely right. AI is a thing, but AI will never be able to do humans' work. Of course, you can use AI as a helping tool, giving you ideas, giving you a short sample of a product that you ask it to do. And what you can do basically is take whatever that AI wrote and edit it yourself so it will look a lot like a human wrote it instead of AI. So that's an idea. It's not guaranteed to work, so please do not catch my word on that. But if you are using it, if you're a copywriter, you're using any AI tool and it works for you, congratulations. I'm happy for you. Hope you see you guys next time. Good night. Also, you see me in a suit again. What's time now? It's 2:20 a.m. and this is when I'm getting back to work. You can imagine how my life looks like, right? Have a good night, guys. We'll see you later.